In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add cities in WooCommerce. If you've been looking for a way to customize the checkout experience on your WooCommerce store, particularly by giving your customers the option to select their city from a drop-down menu, then you're in the right place. Let's dive into the steps to achieve this, ensuring a seamless and user-friendly checkout process. First, let's navigate to the plugins section of your WordPress dashboard. Once you're there, look for the option labeled Add New. This is where you'll be able to access the vast repository of plugins that can enhance your website's functionality. Next, you'll want to type Checkout Field Editor in the search bar. Be sure to look for the one offered by ThemeHigh. This plugin allows you to add, edit, or remove fields on your WooCommerce checkout page, providing you with a wealth of customization options that will help improve customer experience. Once you've located the Checkout Field Editor by ThemeHigh, the next step is to install and activate this plugin. Installing it is simply a matter of clicking on the Install Now button, and as soon as that process is complete, the button will change to Activate. Clicking Activate will ensure that the plugin is ready to use and integrated into your site. Now that the plugin is activated, let's proceed to edit your checkout form. Go to the WooCommerce section in your dashboard and find the link labeled Checkout Form. This is where you can start customizing the fields presented during the checkout process. Here, locate the existing field for the city. You'll want to click on it to begin editing. By default, you'll likely find that the city field is a standard text input, where buyers would type in their city name. We're going to change its field type from a text input to a select dropdown. Doing this requires you to find the option labeled Type and change this setting to Select. With this adjustment, your customers will see a drop-down list rather than an empty text box, making it much simpler for them to select their city. The final part of this process is adding the cities you want to appear as options in the drop-down list. There should be an Options section where you can input different city names. Take your time to list these accurately, as these will directly affect your customer's ability to choose the correct city. In conclusion, by transforming your city field into a drop-down menu, you're simplifying the checkout process for your customers, reducing the chance of errors, and improving overall satisfaction. This straightforward customization can have a big impact on user experience, potentially increasing completion rates for your orders. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos for more tips on optimizing your WooCommerce store.